In front of us, the King Horemheb, accompanied by the god Amun-Ra. The hieroglyphics in scripture reads Sara, meaning son of the sun, Neb-Khau, meaning Lord of the Crowns. They were among the most famous royal titles in ancient Egypt. Then the name of the King Horemheb, beloved of Amun, which is a well-known royal name. When we looked closely at the details of the statue, we discovered the secrets. One letter of hieroglyphic N has been deliberately replaced with the symbol of the North crown. This substitution is not accidental, it's carried both politic and religious symbolism. Although Horemheb was originally from Upper Egypt and his name written by using the crown red, or we can say the Nordic crown, plus he is shown beside the god Amun-Ra. This combination sends a clear message. King Horemheb is the legitimate ruler of Egypt, exercising authority over the hinterland from south to north.